Hello creative designers, and welcome to the tutorial where I'm just going to show you how to create this coupon code where you'll have to offer some discount, like for Black Friday or whichever the season or whichever the discount you just want to give to your customers. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create this Black Friday coupon, and when you just apply for this coupon code, it will have just a 20% discount on the total amount. I'll show you how to set in every product 3 type of coupon codes. We'll have to set the percentage discount, fixed card discount, and fixed product discount. And without further ado, I just request you to just hit the subscribe button to this YouTube channel and we get to action. Thank you. The first thing that we need to do, you need to get to the dashboard, and you need to have the WooCommerce plugin installed in your website. You need to have to do all the setting, and you make sure it's running. After that, you will find that with the latest update, we don't have the coupon button here. It has been now categorized as marketing, and on the marketing button, now you have the overview and the coupon. So you need to click on the coupon. So after you click on the coupon section, here you have now the place now that you'll be able to create and add the coupon. So once you open, if you have a coupon running, you'll see it here. And if you don't have one, you need to add coupon. On adding new coupon, now here you need to give your coupon a name. There's 2 ways you can add the coupon code. You can add yourself, maybe like Happy Monday or whatever you want to call it, maybe Black Friday or whatever you just want to call it. Let me call it Black Friday, like that. The other thing that you need to do is you add the description. You can but still an option, but you can add it, or else you can decide not to name it, but you can just generate the coupon automatic. So you just click on this button to generate the coupon code. On click, it will just give you a unique code which customer will need to use when doing some shopping. On click on it, you can develop as many coupon code as you can, but let me use the Black Friday. After that, I'm not going to name it. You can offer some description for it. From there, now we come to the coupon data. We have the general setting, we have the usage restriction and usage limit. On the general setting, now you come to the discount type. Do you want to offer? You have 3 type of discount type. You have the percentage discount, fixed card discount, and fixed product discount. So if you decide to have a percentage discount, here you have now to offer the percentage that you just want to offer. So if you decide to offer 10% on that, after you add the percentage amount, after adding the 10% discount, the next thing you need to set is if you want to allow a free shipping. I did a tutorial on how to add free shipping, so you need to go to YouTube. I did a full tutorial about advanced shipping, so you need to come here and search for the Thiarara shipping, just like that, and you have it here, and you can be able to set all the shipping you just need. You'll be able to learn more about shipping, WooCommerce shipping, and you'll be able to create more shipping for your WooCommerce. So we just start. Don't worry about that. I'll put the link on the description. If you want to allow this 10% with a free shipping, you just need to click here. The next thing you need to do is you offer the expiry date. How many days do you want this coupon to run? You just have to select on the expiry date if the coupon is going to have the expiry date. From there, now you have the usage restriction. How many if you want to set a minimum of how many you just want to use, or else from there, before you just go there, let me just publish this coupon, and I open my site in a new tab here. We do it practically, and we'll be able to view and see the difference and how they are working. So we need to go to cart here, so you can see the amount here. So if you use this code here and we apply the coupon code here, you'll be able to see the discount. So let me paste the shortcode here and I apply the coupon. The coupon has expired, so we need to set the date. I'll put it to something like the 20th. So I paste the coupon code and we just start. You'll be able to see the discount here. You see the 10% discount has been offered on the total value, on the total amount of the product. From there, now we need to go to the usage restriction. We can set a minimum of, maybe we say $100. That's the minimum spend, and you also can add a maximum. If you do add a minimum spend, that means customer need to use $100 for the customer for the coupon to be eligible to the customer. So if you, let's refresh again here. So we offer the coupon code here, and you see the minimum spend for this coupon is customer will have this error. That's how you can set the minimum usage. Yeah. From there, you can offer the maximum usage. Maybe when you're offering a percentage, you don't have maybe to offer that big discount. You can offer some maximum. You can offer a maximum spend. From there, you can use you can offer, if you want to only use this coupon as individual, no more coupon can be used. After you use this, you just have to click on this, and you can if you want to exclude sales item, those products which are on sales, you just have to click on this. That means that if the product is on sale, the coupon will not make it. From there, you can offer on specific product. You need to search for a specific product. Let me copy this and I paste it here. Here we have it. And I'm not going to include the other one. So once I do that and I update, so once I come here and let me copy this one and I paste the coupon code here and I apply the coupon, you see the offer, the discount will be only for the product that you have included. That we came to the restriction and we only added this product itself. You see the discount has been offered to only the product that you have listed here. If you decide to exclude some product, not to use the coupon, you can go to a shop, copy the product, and you can search it from here, and the product will be excluded from the coupon discount. The other thing is you can offer for some categories. Here you have all your category. You can say to add maybe anti-aging cream or whichever the category you want to the coupon to apply. You can exclude the category, and from there you can allow emails. You can deny some emails for the coupons. The next thing you need to do is you update. On usage limit, here you have now to set the usage limit per coupon. This means that how many customers do you want to use this coupon. If you want maybe for the first 100, they are the one who will qualify to use this coupon. You just have to type the number of the customer you want for them to use the coupon. On the other side is limit usage to the X item. This means that how many items do you want the coupon to apply in the cart. If you say like the first two, or you want it to be applied for the first product, you just have to set how many products you want them to qualify to use the coupon. The other thing is usage limit per user. This how many times do you want one user to use the coupon. If you just want it to be once, you just have to type the number, the time the customer will be able to use this coupon. That's how you just set it, and you just start. You need to update. From there, I just wanted to get back to general setting because we have done everything. So here now you have the fixed cart discount. This means that if you say you want to offer maybe $10 discount for every cart, and when this coupon code is used, you just have to click update. After that, once you have offered the amount you just want to offer as discount, just come here and we paste it. You paste the coupon code and you'll be able to see to just remove the 10, the amount that we have just added as coupon amount. If now we decide to have the coupon fixed product discount, this will mean that each product will have a discount of the amount that we just insert here, and we update. So once we update and we come here again, we come here and we use the coupon code, you'll be able to see it will just remove for each product. It will have a discount for $10. Yeah, you see how it will work. That's how you can set everything to work, and we just that's how you set the coupon code without adding a plugin or for free, and so easy. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more WordPress tutorials to follow. Before you go, remember to watch this video showing on screen. Thank you.